Okay, Bitcoin update. I haven't done a Bitcoin update for quite some time actually, so it's probably past due to say the least. Um, so let's have a look. The first thing that I'm looking for is the RSI. Now, the RSI looks like it's bottomed out. To be fair, so I I, I do see bullish divergence. So we started making lows here, 28th of Feb. We've made two more um, lower lows since, and the RSI hasn't gone lower than the previous one. Okay, so that we're creating bullish divergence. Um, you could say that we're in some kind of sort of falling wedge or flag pattern. Yeah, you could say that. There is it's a channel on down. It's a channel going down basically. So what we want to do is we want to break this bearish structure. So otherwise we're sort of going to continue going down, and then until eventually we come up, we make a new higher high. Okay. um, so what you really want to see is a break of trend. So you want to see a new high. So you want to see it come up. If it's going to be now, you want to see it come up and make a new high. So somewhere around here, okay. And once it's done that, it's free game. Let's have a pullback. And let's see if anyone buys into this pullback. If they do, then obviously we've got a new higher low. So that's bullish. So all of this price action then becomes the support level. All right. And then we can obviously look to spring off that and potentially make new all-time highs. This is what I think is going to happen. There is obviously the bearish potential that we just slowly grind down. Everyone's just sick of it. I mean, I think, to be honest, we're already at that point where everyone's sick. But, potentially we could be coming down here, testing these lows in this downward trend. And then perhaps we get a springboard effect. Maybe. We'll see. But effectively what I'm looking for now is a break of structure and a pullback. So currently I'm long. I do have a pretty loose stop loss on this. It's very, very low leverage. I'd probably stop it down at about 62,000. I'd take a massive loss on that. But we're talking like 1-2 times leverage. I think I'm on 3 times leverage at the moment. So yeah, that's what I would do. If I start seeing it humping down here, I may close it if it makes a new low here, and see what kind of structure we build here. But I'm currently long. I do think that the bottom is more than likely in. I'm confident enough to obviously be long. That's what I think is the low, and I think that if you're long, then the invalidation is 74,500. Other than that, it's just a waiting game. I'm waiting for a breakout. I'm waiting for a break of structure, a pullback. I would if we break structure here and we pull back, I will load up on a dip. And that's basically it. So once it breaks out, I would expect that we really start going for new all-time highs, maybe 120, something like that. And then we'll see what happens. This may end up being leg one. We'll have a pullback for leg two, and then leg three takes us to much higher prices. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. That's my view. Feel free to follow me. Do follow me on Twitter. I've set up Twitter. It's Mr. Million spelt backwards. The link is on obviously the channel. You can join Patreon as well. There's a few people started to join Patreon. I will give exclusive content on Patreon, obviously, because you pay to be a member. And the content that I will give on Patreon will be profitable. I can guarantee that. I won't post any BS. It will be the stuff that I trade. I will tell you there and then, and you're paying for that information. So come over and join if you wish. Thanks, guys. Have a very happy Easter. Take care.